Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We've got Brian Smith. Nope. Everybody just... Well, thanks for joining us. We'll be back with more after this. We'll try again next time. Okay. Let's start that over. We've got Brian.
I'm Blake.
Blake, well, hold on. Who's Brian? Brian's over here. Why? It says Brian in the thing. It says Brian, and Brian's not even here. What a great start to this interview. Okay, so Brian's over there. We have Blake and Mackenzie and this spooky fellow back here who does not get a name because he's just too scary. That's what's okay. Now we've got this sorted out. They are joining us from Northeast High School in Arma to tell us about this really awesome spooky fundraiser you guys have coming up. So welcome to the show. We'll get this right, Blake and Mackenzie.
Yes.
What exactly have you guys got coming on?
Well, we have a spook house and also a trunk or treat coming up the weekend before Halloween and also on that Monday of Halloween. See, the trunk or treat, I believe, is on that Monday. Starts at 6, and so does the spook house.
All right. And so what inspired you all to put this together?
We're doing it for a fundraiser for our senior class to go on a senior trip. We have a lot of kids that are less fortunate, that don't have the money to be able to go on trips and just have fun, go on a trip in general. But, yeah. Trying to raise money for them.
This will help get a few more students out for this senior trip. And I mean, a lot of folks from the outside look like a senior trip. Why do they even need to do that? But it's really an important part of the high school experience. Why is it so important for you all to make sure that as many kids can go as possible?
Because it's really like a sending off for all of us and our friends. And those kids, they may not be able to go on a trip in their lifetime because they're just less fortunate.
I understand that. Of course, in this area, that is something that we do face, and a lot of people don't really realize that until fundraisers pop up and they go, wow, we have a lot of folks that need help across the area. So what is it like for you to be able to help them out?
It is so amazing because personally, I know there's a lot of kids in our class that just need help doing things in general because lack of money, and it's just amazing.
And for the trunk or treat and spook house, what's the theme here? What's the spook house like?
Oh, the spook house, it's a very large mixture, to tell you the complete truth. We do, well, we got him. I don't even know what he's supposed to be. But I guess some hazardous material, man. But we have a very large mixture of just different themes in different rooms. But
And of course, you've got the trunk or treat as well. Yes. And so, real quick, we can kind of recap those details. The spook house and the trunk or treat at Northeast High School, 1003 East South Street in Arma. It's $10 per family for ages 9 and up. And of course, these funds that are raised are going to go for the 2023 senior class senior trip. So,
yes, sir.
A lot of fun and exciting things going on. And of course, we'll have all of this information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. Well, thank you all for coming in this morning, and we'll get the names right. Okay. Might have you come back for, I don't know, something else, anything else, so we can get the names right next time.
Okay.
We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.